Hi children, good morning. How you all are? Today we are starting our new chapter simple past tense and page number 45 और simple past tense में मैंने आपको क्या बताया है, सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब लगता है he, she, it, I, we, you, they के साथ. That is known as simple past tense. We use a simple past tense for actions that had happened or excited at some point in the past. Read these sentences. The dog bit my neighbor yesterday. Timmy jumped over the fence. We also use the simple past tense for actions that tell us of some past habit. The king visited the temple every day. As usual, we had our dinner early. When we talk of some past habits, we use words such as generally, always, often, usually, every day, and sometimes. For most verbs, we form the simple past tense by adding ed. Allow, allowed, listen, listened, call, called, play, played, cook, cooked, talk, talked. For most words that end with e, we form the simple past tense by adding d to the root or base form of the verb. Bake, baked, like, liked, chase, chased, love, loved, lie, lied, tie, tied. For some verbs, the simple past tense is the same as the root or base from the verb cost, cost, hurt, hurt, cut, cut, put, put, hit, hit, bread, bread. ये ऑलरेडी हम समझ चुके हैं. ब्रेक, ब्रोक, लर्न, learnt, go, went, speak, spoke, hold, held, take, took. This is second form of the verb. Now subject verb agreement in the simple past tense. Except for the verb be, the verb in the simple past tense says the same whether the subject is singular or plural. I was unwell. He played cricket. She learnt her work. They were unwell. They played cricket. We learnt our work. Now exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verb. I mistook Sheena for Meera as both have the same hairstyle and looked similar from behind. Rohan shook the branches. ये जो वर्ड है इसका हमको सेकेंड फॉर्म यहाँ पर लिखना है. वर्ब यहाँ से लेना है लेकिन उसका सेकेंड फॉर्म. रोहन शूक, शूक किसका सेकेंड फॉर्म है? शेक. रोहन शूक द ब्रांचेस ऑफ द ट्री टिल सम मैंगोज fell down. Next, the ball bounced and rolled towards the road. Bounced, bounce and rolled. Next, the thief stole the mobile phone but the police caught him. My father worked till last night and slept at 3 a.m. The birds flew away and perched on the branches of the tree. Fill in the blanks. अब हमको यहाँ पे simple past tense लिखना है. I wore a bright and colorful dress for the party yesterday. She rang the golden bell with great effort. They began their classes soon after the summer break. Sushant was unwell, so he went to the bed early. Rita chose a beautiful watch for her mother. He drank 2 glasses of lukewarm water yesterday morning. Now rewrite these sentences. He walks to his office and comes back by bus. He walked to his office and came back by bus. The florist plucks many beautiful flowers that grow in the garden. The florist plucked many beautiful flowers that grew in the garden. My father drives us to Shimla and we stay in a beautiful villa for the next week. For a week, my father drove us to Shimla and we stayed in a beautiful villa for a week. Sanchit swims across the river. Sanchit swam across the river and goes to the other side and went to the other side. During the cold winter, the lake freezes and people skate on it. During the cold winter, the lake froze and people skated on it. The children tear the colored paper into small bits and stick them on the shapes. The children tore the colored paper into small bits and stuck them on the shapes. Okay. We are starting one more tense today. Past continuous tense. In past continuous tense, what we have to do? Past continuous tense was plus ing plus verb. He, she, it के साथ was, I, we, you, they के साथ में were plus verb plus ing. Okay. We use the past continuous tense to talk about an action that was going on or continuing a particular point in the time in the past. They were studying in the room at 5 o'clock. Neha was going for a walk. We use the past continuous tense to talk about an action that was continuing a particular time in the past and when another action happened. Past continuous tense को हम कैसे समझते हैं? जो कि past में complete हो गया है लेकिन अभी भी कंटिन्यू चल रहा है, लेकिन उसके साथ में दूसरा एक्शन भी स्टार्ट हो गया है. I was working in my office when the building caught fire. The children were playing outside when there was an earthquake. Now forming the verb in the past continuous tense. We use the past continuous tense by forming the past tense of the verb. I was eating my food when my father rushed into the room. He was writing a letter when his mother knocked the door. She was shouting at the stranger when we arrived. It was barking when I went to the garden. Ishita was making her chart yesterday. We were listening to the breaking news. You were sleeping when Aunt Vinita left. They were studying in their room when the bell rang. The animals were hiding in the cave when the hunters came near. Fill in the blanks. Now अब हमको past continuous बनाना है, तो I was cycling when it started raining. We were painting in the cards and crafts room at 1 o'clock. The children were playing in the park when I saw them. At noon, Payal and Rashi were enjoying sitting in the sun. You were cutting the ribbon when the teacher entered the room. My mother was writing a letter to the municipal corporation when she heard about the incident. Okay. Now from here we will start on next one. So what you have to do, children? You have to start writing from page number 45, 46, 47. Then past continuous we have to start and you have to write till exercise A. Okay. Have a nice day, children. Bye bye. Take care.